Before you dive into your next PC build, stick around to discover some surprising downsides of the ASUS ROG Strix Z890-A gaming Wi-Fi motherboard that you might want to consider. The ASUS ROG Strix gaming Wi-Fi motherboard presents a sleek, modern design with a predominantly white color scheme, accented by the customizable polymo lighting on the I/O cover. This aesthetic not only appeals to gamers seeking a visually striking build, but also complements a variety of PC setups. The ATX form factor ensures compatibility with standard cases, providing ample space for components and facilitating an organized build process. One of the standout features of this motherboard is its robust power solution, featuring a 16+1+2+2 power stage configuration, each rated at 90A. This design ensures stable power delivery, which is crucial for overclocking and maintaining system stability during intensive tasks. The inclusion of advanced AI technologies such as AI overclocking, AI cooling 2, and AI networking 2 simplifies system optimization, allowing users to achieve enhanced performance with minimal manual adjustments. In terms of connectivity, the ROG Strix is well equipped. It offers dual Thunderbolt 4 USB Type-C ports, providing high-speed data transfer capabilities and versatile connectivity options. The motherboard also includes a USB 10GB/s Type-C rear I/O port with up to 30-watt power delivery fast charging, catering to users with power-hungry peripherals. Networking is handled by onboard Intel Wi-Fi 7 and a 2.5GB Ethernet port, ensuring fast and reliable internet connections for both gaming and productivity. The motherboard supports DDR5 memory, accommodating up to 192GB, which is beneficial for users running memory-intensive applications or multitasking. Additionally, it features one PCIe 5.0 M2 slot and 4 PCIe 4.0 M2 slots, all equipped with substantial cooling solutions to maintain optimal performance of NVMe SSDs. Priced at approximately $400, the ASUS ROG Strix offers a compelling package for gamers and enthusiasts seeking a balance between performance, aesthetics, and advanced features. For the latest offers and pricing, be sure to check out the Amazon link in the description. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this motherboard? Cons: limited to one PCIe 5.0 M2 slot, higher price point compared to some competitors. White color scheme may not appeal to all users. Pros: robust power delivery system suitable for overclocking, advanced AI features for system optimization, comprehensive connectivity options with Thunderbolt 4 and Wi-Fi 7, support for high-capacity DDR5 memory, aesthetically pleasing design with customizable lighting. If you're considering the ASUS ROG Strix gaming Wi-Fi for your next build, don't forget to check out the Amazon link in the description for the latest deals. Also, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment on the video to stay updated with more reviews and tech insights.